Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is going to be my first video and my new plant mail of the new year of in my big bug garden on my front porch. Many of the plants have died in there, and I want to replace them. And I got this off of a guy, bought these off of a guy who raises and sells a lot of American pitcher plants, as well as some companion plants such as of bog orchids and things like that. And this is a little something extra. He sent me some of seeds, and this is a hybrid. This is really cool. I'm going to have to start the stratification tomorrow. Just to, whenever you happen to get of seeds from a American pitcher plant or the temperate or cold hardy of Drosera, you're gonna have to do a period of cold stratification. It's really super easy. What you do is that one of the method which I use is that you take a paper towel, you wet the towel, and of course you wring the towel out because you want it moist but not soaking wet, and you place the seeds on said paper towel. You fold it, then you put it into a sandwich bag, and then you put it in your fridge and you leave it there for a month. However, if you happen to live in the northern climates, like the northern states or maybe the northern countries or something, you're gonna have to and if you're growing the cold tolerant Drosera purpurea subspecies purpurea, you're gonna have to stratify the seeds for 2 months. I would love to have that species here, or that subspecies, I should say, of Drosera purpurea, but if I live here in Florida, and if it needs really cold temperatures in order to do really well. It just will not grow well at all. It'll die here in the American South. These are rhizomes, and chances are they are all dormant because that they are of American pitcher plants, and of America's got some of the most diverse carnivorous plants in the world. If you're ever growing most carnivorous plants that which are native to the U.S. or North America, I should say, regardless if it's the USA or Canada, it's going to be a temperate plant. The only American carnivorous plant that you do not need a cold stratification with for the seeds are Venus flytraps. You could, if I've heard that you could, if you really wanted to, maybe store the seeds, but in reality, you don't. But I'm going to have to plant these up tomorrow. These came in when I was at work today, and I am really excited about this, and this year I was hoping to expand my Nepenthes collection, hopefully, because of I love me some Nepenthes, and so far Nepenthes are doing really well for me. And it's been really chilly here the last few nights here. But my hybrid Nepenthes on my front porch hanging up, it hasn't been like a frost yet, and they're doing really well, and it's been dipping into the 50s and 40s, so they've been doing really well. Enough of me chatting. I'm going to end the video here. If you happen to like this video, give me a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.